Okay. You have some, anybody with, you can put your answer in the, on the chat. Just put your answer on the chat. Yeah. What is the most profitable way to trade and make money in cryptocurrencies? Okay. So now let me give us a few so I can save time. Okay. We have different forms of trading. Cryptocurrency, you have day trading. Okay. We have day traders, you buy and sell cryptocurrencies within a single trading day. So in one day, you have day traders. So if you're a day trader, you can make money trading cryptocurrencies, but then you need to put in your own time. Okay. It has to be a full-time job because that's what you call it, you're a day trader. So day trading involves you putting up your time because you're going to be analyzing the market. So it requires technical analysis skills, chart patterns, and good understanding of market indicators. Okay, you must understand these things before you become a cryptocurrency day trader. So it involves frequent monitoring. Okay, it involves frequent monitoring of the market charts and indicators. You keep monitoring the market. So that's one way of making money in crypto. So you can see day trading is kind of tedious. That's number one. Then you have the swing trade. Okay, swing. You have the swing trade where crypto traders chase the pattern. Okay, they chase the candles. Okay. Okay, so these swing trades can go on for days or weeks. Okay, so you receive a signal and you decide to become a swing trader. So a swing trader, you just launch into the trades, you're analyzing trends. Okay, you're trying to capture the swings in the market. You're analyzing trends, and it also uses technical analysis to identify. So we have entry and exit points. So you see those swings where you go up and down, up and down. So those are swings. You're trying to identify entry points and exit points. So this it happens in less than a day. Okay, sometimes swing trades will happen in 1 hour, 2 hours. So sometimes you get different kinds of signals. You can get a day trading signal. You can get a swing trading signal. These ones happen within a short time frame. We have 15 minutes to 4 hours time frame for swing trading. Okay, that's the second way of making money in cryptocurrency. Now, what's the third way in making money in cryptocurrency is by holding. Okay, holding cryptocurrencies is another way of making money in crypto. You hold your assets for a number of within a number of months. It could be years, and you could be extremely rich holding cryptocurrencies. You could be extremely rich holding cryptocurrencies. Okay, so I'm coming to the bot users. Okay, so holding involves long term. Okay, it requires patience and a belief in long term potential of those chosen cryptocurrencies. Okay, so you don't need to be so active in monitoring of those coins. So it involves very less monitoring, but involves more patience. So you're holding Bitcoin, you need some patience. You don't need to analyze whatever. So you could hold Bitcoin for the next 1 year, and trust me, it's a way of getting very, very rich. Now, number four way of making profits for crypto, becoming very rich in crypto, is what we call the arbitrage trading. Okay, so arbitrage involves exploiting price differences of the same cryptocurrency on different exchanges. Okay, that's arbitrage. So arbitrage involves exploiting prices. So you could get Bitcoin on a particular exchange at probably 41,200, and it's selling for 41,300 on another exchange. So you do that swap, you do that switch. So it involves speed. Okay, your networks must be very, very smart. Your devices must be very, very quick. So it requires quick execution and the ability to transfer funds between exchange. So you transfer funds between exchange A and exchange B, okay? Because you want to make the difference between these two prices is what puts that profit in your pocket. So it involves speed. And the good news is that the Apollo bot is gonna be launching the arbitrage trading sometime in 2024, probably in the first quarter or second quarter of 2024. So arbitrage trading is another good way of making some quick bucks. So you can see it's quick money, but it involves quick execution. So now the fifth way is automated trading bots. Okay, talking of automated trading bots, you talk of AI, that's artificial intelligence, which is what we do in Apollo bots. So this is the number 5 way of making money in cryptocurrency, and it's very, very, very advisable for you to employ robotics in trading the markets, because when the market has some volatility, trust me, as a human being, you cannot pick all the swings. Okay, so automation of your trades is one of the best way of getting involved in the market. And you see, in 2024, we have something called the Bitcoin halving, which is sometime in April 2024. And you wouldn't want to be doing some manual trades by then. So it's either you're holding some currencies from now, or you're trading, you're automating your system to trade for you from now till the bull run. So the bull run is going to start officially from April all the way from April 2024, and the markets will rally in the uptrend all through 2024 till 2025. So we don't want to miss this opportunity, and that's why we say you employ the Apollo bots to do some of these things for you. So now the 6th way is ICO, initial coin offering. So the 6th way of making money in the cryptocurrency space is ICO, initial coin offering. Okay, this is just a way of investing in ICOs. It involves participating in fundraising, because some people still do it, but it's quite risky, but comes with high rewards. Okay, so if the project becomes successful, okay, it can be very, very rewarding. So the initial coin offering is a way of calling investors to come invest in a particular coin. That's the pre-sale stage of a coin. So when it is listed and the project becomes successful, you can make some bucks, but it's quite risky. So you have a 50-50 chance in this particular way of investing. That's in ICO. So, but I don't advise anybody to unless you do your own due diligence. So that's number 6. So number 7 way of making money cryptocurrency is staking and yield farming. Okay, staking, that's taking a particular asset and you stake it for a number of months or years. So you can see it involves earning rewards by holding and staking certain cryptocurrencies, or by participating in what you call the decentralized finance, that's DeFi, decentralized finance platforms. So where you stake, you could stake Ethereum, you could stake BNB, you could stake any kind of coin, and you get rewarded, and you get some rewards in turn. Okay, so there are proof of stake and all that. That's what we call the POS, which Ethereum actually executes at the moment. So that's number 7. Then of course you have number 8. The number 8 way of making money in cryptocurrency is trend following. Okay, so traders follow the prevailing trend and make trades in the direction of that trend. So you follow the trend. So it requires identifying and confirming the trend using technical analysis. Okay, so you just follow the trend. So when you use technical analysis, you follow trends and you make your money. So it requires some skills. All right. So in all this I have stated from number 1 to number 8, I would advise you the best of the best is, okay, you automate your trade, because you can't be too good. You can't be available 24 hours. Okay. So always automate your trade, because robotics, when there is volatility, robotics will eventually trade profitably for you. Okay. So these are the ways in which we could employ artificial intelligence, and different ways in which we can make money. All right. So let's go into the business of the day. We're trying to the business